This AI voice isn't real. This video, it was written, edited, and voiced by artificial intelligence. And guess what?
You can start doing the same today and make real money, even if you're a complete beginner.
In this video, I'm giving you 5 AI-powered side hustles you can start today, for free. Let's go.
So we start with selling AI voiceovers. With tools like 11 Labs, you can generate super realistic voiceovers that sound just like a human. Here's what to do. So create voice samples, YouTube intros, audiobooks, TikToks, and then use 11 Labs to clone your voice using the samples you just created. Then head over to fiverr.com, join in, create a gig, fill in all the necessary information, upload your voiceovers, and publish your gig. And you're good to go. You don't even need to speak. Let the AI talk and let the money follow. Moving on to hustle number 4, AI-powered Reels agency. Basically, you just start a short-form content agency powered by AI. You don't need editing skills, just the right tools. Here's how. Take YouTube videos or podcast clips from creators that are trending or went viral at some point. Then use Upfront to automatically generate 15 to 60 second viral reels. You can offer this to coaches, local businesses, and influencers, and charge per reel or monthly retainer. This is a real business model that requires zero content creation from you, just smart AI tools. And number 3, we got AI eBooks, and this is easily one of my favorite hustles by far. You just need to write and sell ebooks using AI, and don't worry, you don't need to be a writer. ChatGPT can do that for you. Here's how. Go to ChatGPT and ask, write me a 25-page ebook about, let's say, the little girl and her special bond with her dog. Once we got our story, go to Canva and use Magic Media to create the book cover. Now go to Amazon KDP and upload your book. Click on create ebook, fill in all the necessary information, choose the price for your ebook, and click on publish. On number 2, we got the faceless YouTube Shorts automation, and I'm pretty sure you already heard about this one. Some people are even making millions out of this, and you can do the same. Here's how. Go to ChatGPT and type, write me 5 motivational quotes ideas. Now go to CapCut AI and use the AI template feature. Make sure to choose a template that matches your idea. Then click on generate. Once your video is ready, export it and upload it on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. People are scaling these channels to thousands, even millions in passive income, and it's 100% faceless. And finally, we got the Etsy printables with AI design, and this is passive income 101. Here's how you can do it. Use ChatGPT to come up with printable ideas, planners, affirmation, budgeting sheets, anything. Then open Canva and use Magic Media again to create your design. Make sure to export it as a PDF. And always remember, you create it once and sell it forever, so make sure to really focus on your design. Then go to Etsy, create a new listing, upload your design, and publish it. People are making hundreds to thousands a month with this, without inventory, shipping, or design skills. So which hustle are you starting today? Every single one of these can be done without a face, voice, or upfront cost, and everyone uses the power of AI. Pick one, and just one, and go all in. If you found value, hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to turn AI into income. And if you want me to deep dive into any of these hustles, let me know in the comment. See you in the next one.